Now we will write code to move the cat. We will also write code, so when the cat touches lazy dog 1 or lazy dog 2, the game ends and the cat loses. To move the cat, we will use the arrow keys on the keyboard, so first, make 4 blocks for the cat. You can see previous lesson titled The Kind Apple to see how to move the cat. Alternatively, we can also move the cat using the following code blocks. Notice, each of these yellow blocks is different, and not attached to each other. Each block is used so that the cat moves in the direction of the arrow. Every time the arrow pressed, the cat would change costumes, so it as if the cat is walking. Then, the cat will move. We can move the cat by changing its x or y coordinates, according to the arrow pressed, so if we press the right arrow, the x coordinate will be added 10 and cat moves right. If the cat has reached the edge of the screen, we use this block to make the cat stop. Create code block for one of the arrow. Then duplicate and modify the key. Adjust the X or Y, according to key pressed. Now, try to start the game and move your cat by pressing the arrow keys. Next, we'll make the game over if the cat touches one of the lazy dog. Add this if block on all arrow keys, right, left, up, and down. We will broadcast the message cat caught if the cat touches the lazy dog 1 or the cat touches the lazy dog 2. The green block is using or logic block and comes from the operator section. Try it. Make the code blocks according to the instructions. We will make the cat disappear when the cat is caught. Make a receive message block like this in cat sprite. To make it more interesting, put the following blocks on both lazy dogs. So when the cat is caught, a lazy dog will stick out its tongue. Start your game, move the cat to one of the lazy dogs, and see what happens. We have to make the game finished and cat wins if cat successfully catch chicken. For that, add this if block in the chicken sprite. So if the chicken touches the cat, we will broadcast a message, chicken caught. When the chicken is caught, we will make the chicken disappear, and there will be applause. Add this block in the chicken sprite. Now, try to run your game and catch the chicken. Every time the chicken is caught, the chicken will disappear from the stage. We will show the chicken every time the game starts. Add this show block in the chicken sprite.